Scrapbookers, this is Megan, and I am back today with my third layout using my January scrapbooking store kit. So for this one, I have these 4 photos of Rachel and Tinian, and these were from, I believe this was October of 2018, and we always, for the longest time, have a snowstorm in October. And we usually get like a dump of snow in October, and then it melts and it doesn't snow again for like another month or so, just kind of depending. So October 2018, we got a huge dump of snow. I have more snow photos that I might end up using to finish up this kit, so you might see more in February. But this one, I made at my scrapbooking retreat at the beginning of January, and I wanted to make sure that I got this one posted before the end of this month. So I am going to use these 4 photos, and I am going to mat them in the middle of this layout. So you can see here, I am just journaling or writing down everything that I'm using for this layout. So the paper that I'm using, the background paper, is Comfy, Cozy, Cuddly. And then this, I think this pink paper is called Chilly and Happy. And then I'm also going to use a third paper, which is called Sparkle Season. Here you can see that I am flipping through the Creative Scrappers sketch traveler's notebook that I brought with me. There was one in there that I kind of had an idea, but I couldn't remember what it was like, and I ended up not being able to find it. So I'm just kind of going off on my own. So I'm not sure if I really follow the sketch that I had seen earlier, but I think I got an idea for this layout from this Creative Scrappers sketchbook by Christine Davis. And in my last layout, I used this sketchbook, and I'm not sure if she's selling it anymore, like I said in that layout or in that process video, but you might be able to find it on, I think she still does have a website. This says creative-scrappers.com, but I'm not sure if that's what her website is called anymore, or if she's still around. I guess you can kind of check out social media and see if she is. But here you can see I'm just gluing all these papers down. I glued all of the photos onto that burr piece of paper. And then now I'm just going to start embellishing and using a bunch of the word phrase stickers. I'm also going to use, I think, one of the chipboard pieces from the upgrade kit. And here you can see it is a little tree, and it just says winter on it. Then I'm going to use a couple of stickers in that little cluster down there. One of them is going to be a cute little coat, and I just absolutely love that. Apparently I don't do that right now though. It looks like I am probably going through the papers to see if I can find more embellishments. Then I'm going to bring in some alphas from my stash. So I found this Amy Tan alpha, and I don't remember what it's called because it's not in the right packaging. So I apologize about that. I have no idea what happened to that packaging. So I'm just going to spell out winter in with that Amy Tangerine alpha, and then October I'm going to use a gold, I think it's from Maggie Holmes, a gold alpha from Maggie Holmes. And that one I think I do have. but it's in my drawer and I'm not going to go and pull it out because I really have no idea where it is in my drawer. So it's the one that came out quite a few years ago that has mint foam underneath it. So here you can see I'm using that one, and it's a smaller alphabet, so it fits perfectly right there. It's not too big. So the title for this one is Winter in October. And I think actually maybe I did write down the name of it. So let's see, the thickers. Oh yeah. So the alpha thicker is called Ace American Craft Thickers, and the name of it is Meggy. Probably because it's from Meggy Holmes. See how helpful that is? I already put away all of the things that I used on this layout, so that was really helpful to have it written down, even though I didn't remember until I saw it. So here I'm adding that coat, and it just came on the sticker sheet, and it's super duper cute. I absolutely love it. And then I'm going to use the word all bundled up, and then also going to put a couple of leaves around the title. And then now I am going to add a couple of the border strips from the papers that I've already used, and I'm just going to glue them down on top of each other. And then I'm going to glue that word phrase snow happy up there as well. And I think that is it for this layout. Thank you so much for watching, and also make sure to check out my links below if you are interested in signing up for this kit club. Thanks. Have a great scrappy day. Bye.